Hi, good morning. So today we're going to unboxing these two there are two parcels arrived today, but this comes in one parcel. So let's see what's inside here. So actually I'm so excited to see. Yay.
Mommy,
Yes. Okay, I got to be very careful with this because it's ooh, oh my god. What happened? Alright.
What, Mommy? What? What?
Naat na.
The reaction is very priceless.
Yeah. Oh my. Here it is. Yay. This is what I have inside here. One tree down. One leaf down. This is what's the name of this? I forgot.
Flower.
Look my mallet.
Mama,
Yeah. That's how they pronounce it. Look
What?
my mallet. Okay, there's another one down here. I didn't expect it to arrive early. They posted it out on Monday. It reached here today. Today is Friday. It takes quite like 5 days to reach Miri. Oh my, terkejut my. What is this? Oh my. Okay. One down. I thought it was a rat. Oh my. Okay, we cut this off. One leaf down. Alright. No, this is look my mallet.
I have
Mama, let.
Somehow this is much more expensive than this one. Don't know, kain buruk ke apa? Don't know. I got it from bidding online from a seller in Kedah, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is what do I call hybrid Keladi, Thailand.
What did you do?
Yay, finally it's here. So excited to see. Alright, so I think I should like this one small leaf out already. Let's open. How does it look like inside? This one
Okay.
I need this. I need this different
one
color.
leaf down, two leaf down. This one, the red one. One leaf down. Which one did I cut just now? This one belongs to this or this? That one. How does it look like inside here? Okay, they use wet tissue, not really wet tissue.
They dried on the way coming here.
Yeah. This is not really wet tissue, I think. It's not really. It's tissue, but the tissue gets wet because the soil is wet. Okay, so how am I going to take this out?
I can't open
Take it out like this. Okay,
What you do?
I'm not so sure what to do. Okay, I'm not so sure what to do. But alright.
Mommy, you're sitting in my plate.
Okay, so this is how it looks like inside there. So I think I just take out the tissue. Just take out the tissue. How to take out the tissue? Okay. how it is.
Should we open the light? Open the light. Color. Please,
Okay. Alright. So this is it. Cut the leaves. Not cutting the leaves. Okay, gotta be very careful. I don't want to cut stem. Yeah, I need some help here. No, can you hold this for me? Okay, hold. Yay, it's finally out. So I think we should cut this off. No, it's already off from there. Alright, so this is how it looks like. 4 leaves.
my breaking
Satu yang
heart.
kecil masih belum buka daun. Yay, so happy. But I expect the leaves to be bigger. Bigger, but somehow this one is, the leaves for this one is bigger than that. Okay, so we try to take this out.
Mommy.
Ini nak buat.
Mommy masih
Buat lah, buat.
terkenal.
Let's try this.
See,
Mommy, I can see myself there.
you're inside there. Okay.
I can see your hand there. Sarah.
You're supposed to see my hand there, sayang. You're supposed to see my hands there. Terus itu.
Come, come. Come here.
Where's itu?
Come here.
There.
But no.
Come here.
Sila. Takut Ira nak.
Look at this.
Okay.
It's done in there. It's like a tape, right? Yeah.
Look like what, sayang?
A tape.
Okay.
Tape of the fan
Look
like
here, look
that.
Look here.
Can I try?
Okay, go here.
Okay, if I get higher up here. Look, amen. God, amen. God,
Alright.
right?
I managed to cut the lemon, so I have to take out this. Wow, they really have like a lot of things to put on the leaf, on the plants.
Put your ear.
Bisa patah
Put
gini.
your ear.
Apparently it's not supposed to go there.
Your ear.
Ay, ganun ka potong.
Weird. That's a chicken den.
Okay, now your turn. Mine had a chicken, yours was someone else.
Alright. So I need to have something to hold this thing up with here. We're taking out the tissue. Tissue is so wet. I think the tissue is purposely to be put wet, but not really wet. Okay, so this is how it looks like. One leaf down, so we have to take out this. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside here. We are going to report it later. Leaves looks okay.
Hey, Mommy.
Hmm.
What you doing, Mommy?
I just opened this. Okay. One leaf looks like it's not going to last long. This one. The other one looks new. Right? Bukan. I asked the seller, is this Miss Muffet? No, she said no. Ini dia apa? Hybrid. Daun pun keras. Daun agak keras. Yes. Tebal. What's it mean tebal? The Miss Muffet that I know is quite lembut daun dia. Alright. Yay! So I just got one more last night in the bidding, so expect to reach Miri next week. Yay! Alright, looks beautiful. The leaves not that daun biasa kot, tidak pun keras, but somehow this is like double the price of the other one just now. Okay. Oh, it's really 85. I think so. So this must not be mine. Let me see. Betul kan? I need to check back with the seller. They really write my name on it. Oh yes, it's my name on it. No, this is more expensive than that one. I got it wrong. Okay, alright, so and this one. Let's see how is this plant doing today. Ada siapa tahu kah pokok apa ni? The stem masih kecil, tak besar-besar. Lambat juga yang satu ni mau besar. Masih ada hijau sikit. Ini hijau betul-betul. Ini sudah brown. Ini pun sama. Slightly bigger than the first time I got this home. Yeah, so I'm not going to repot this. Let's just let it stay in this pot. Right. Okay, that's all. We're done and I'm unboxing these 2 new plants in our house. So see you all. Thank you for watching.